a lot of ruckus once more. Once more, there was discussions on the Gandhi-Soros link. Among others, we also heard JP Nadda speaking there. Among the ruckus, he has said the country is not safe with a party like the Congress. So once more, Rajya Sabha has been adjourned after massive ruckus. Till 11 a.m. tomorrow. That is what we are learning of right now, viewers. So once more, Rajya Sabha has reconvened a short while back. Now again, it has been adjourned amid ruckus by opposition. Also, we saw that a lot of statements were being made among that ruckus, where the leader of the House, JP Nadda, said that the Congress is linked with the organization that has called for an independent Kashmir. The BJP has further alleged that under Gandhi's chairmanship of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation led to a partnership with George Soros Foundation, displaying the influence of foreign funding on Indian organizations. So that is what we're learning of right now, viewers. So two big allegations, two big points were being raised in this session of the Rajya Sabha before it was adjourned, where JP Nadda once again spoke about the George Soros and Gandhi link, and also has said that Congress is linked with the organization that has called for an independent Kashmir. So this is what we're seeing right now on Republic TV, where opposition leaders have been protesting once again today. And the houses have been adjourned time and again due to ruckus. Remember that Lok Sabha Speaker
रिपोर्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट OCCRP, ये एक ऐसी संस्था है अध्यक्ष जी, जो देश में और विभिन्न देशों में डिस्टेबलाइज करने के लिए, वहां की संप्रभुता पर चोट पहुंचाने के लिए एक कुत्सित प्रयास करती है। और इतिहास इस बात का गवाह है। हम सब जानते हैं कि जो विषय OCCRP ने रिपोर्ट किया, उसको यहां पर लोकसभा के सदन के विपक्ष के नेता ने उठाकर यह साबित किया है कि बाहरी शक्तियों का वो एक तरीके से औजार बन करके, टूल बन करके देश में अस्थिरता लाने में अपना योगदान कर रहे हैं। They are trying to bring instability in the country. उसी तरीके से the Forum of Democratic Leaders of Asia Pacific, जिसकी को-चेयरपर्सन कांग्रेस पार्टी की वरिष्ठतम नेतृत्व है महोदया, वह भारत की संप्रभुता पर प्रश्न तो उठाती है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ वो जम्मू कश्मीर को एक सेपरेट स्टेट की एंटिटी के रूप में मानती है। और ऐसी संस्थाओं
amidst a lot of ruckus, where you heard what JP Nadda had to say, making once again that statement on the Gandhi